Hi guys, today we'll discuss about conditional statement in Python programming language. I mean, how will you use the condition to match the value? So, in conditional statement, you will give the condition, then we'll check that condition is met or not. So, for that purpose, here will use conditional formatting. Okay, so for that, at first we'll make here two variables. First is a, and I will store here 5, and my second variable is b, and in v variable I will store 10. Okay, now I will give here the condition. So I'll say here if A is less than from B, then give colon. Then enter. I'll say here print A is less. Okay. So this is the simple program for conditional formatting. Okay. So I will run this program. Let me zoom my Jupyter notebook at first. Yeah, it's fine. Our code is like that. I have made here two variables a and b, and I have assigned the value in both variable a and b. First assigned value is 5 and another assigned value is 10. Now we need to will check here the condition for a and b variable. So I'll say here like this: a is less than from b. If this condition is met, that then I want print a is less. Okay. Next, let me run this program. So you will get a is less because your condition is met here. Okay. Suppose I'll change here value. I'll say here 15. Now, let me run this program and we'll see the output, and you will get nothing. Okay, in your output, you will get nothing because your condition is A is less than from B, which is not met here. It means your condition is not exact match. That's why your statement is A is less will not print here. Okay, so for that I'll say one more statement. I'll say here else part. I'll give else, then colon, then enter, then I'll say here print a is not less. Okay, now let me run this program, and you will get your second condition is met here. Okay, so first condition is a is less than from b, which is not met here because 15 is not less than from 10. Okay, so your condition will be false. Okay, so that so our Python control will switch for else part and will check what is the statement inside the else part. So that will print whatever you have passed inside the else part. So else part is a is not less. Okay, so let me run this program and we'll check for my given condition. So you will get here a is not less. Okay, so this is else part. Okay, and this is the if part. Suppose I'll give here again, I'll give here 10 because both values are the same here. So let me run this program, and a is not less. So you will get, I'll give here 10, and both are the same value, 10 and 10 for a and b variables here. So our first condition is a less than from b, which is not met. Okay, because 10 is less than from 10. This is not exact met. Okay, because 10 is never less than from 10 because this is equal to 10. Okay, so this condition will not met here. That's why this part will not print here. Now else part is, if a less than a is not less, a is not less than from b, then for that else part is here for the printing a is not less, because our condition is not met. That's why this is giving you else part statement, which is a is not less. Okay, now I'll say one more. I'll give here one more condition. I'll say here, if sorry, if you are using more than the one condition, at that time you need to use the elif condition. Okay, elif, I'll say here elif, elif a equal to b, then we'll say here colon, then I will print here inside the set of parentheses, and then we'll give the double quote, and inside the double quote we'll write the here what both values are the same. Okay, so let me run this program, and this time you will get elif part statement. Whatever you have passed here, you have passed here print both values are the same. That's why you will get the elif part, because a variable and b variable are equals here. So that's why you will get the elif part. So let me run this program, then we'll see the output here. So you can see here both values are the same. Okay, so like this you can give more statement, and you can pass different conditions and lots of conditions, and for lots of conditions you can check whether any variable condition is met or not met. Okay, if your condition is met, then what you want. If your condition is not met, then what you want. Okay, so like this you can use. So here for multiple condition you can use elif. Okay, so one more thing here, that is you can use here set of parentheses. Okay, so your program will, even then your program will run here. Okay, suppose I have given here a set of parentheses, and I will close this. Okay, now let me run this program, and even then your program is run here. Okay, so this is that. I'll say here like this. Okay, so you can give here set of parentheses if you want, and you can't give here the parentheses if you don't want. Okay, but our program will run in both ways. So let me run this program and you can see the output here like this. Now I'll say here like b is 5. Now let me check what will be the output for this. So you will get a is not less. Okay, because a is greater than from b variable, and a values is 10 and b values is 5. That's why you will get the else part. Okay, because I have given here two conditions, a less than b. So a less than b, which is not exact match, because a is greater than from b here, because 10 is greater than 5, and I have given here condition a is less than from b, which is not met. A equals b, this is also not met. Okay, because 10 never equals from b. Okay, that's why uh, neither this part or this part, both part will not print here, and you will not get as a output. So this will give for next, that is else part, and else part will be printed here. Okay, so I think you have understood about the conditional statement in Python programming language. So, so thanks for watching my video, and we'll see you in my next video. So thanks for watching my video, and do the practice for the same.